Saan?
Ano ba kaya lang yung huling laban?
No, mag-volleyball jump for team Batang SATWA.
Alin sa Hanks?
Let's get it on.
Malakas kay Hanks.
Shout out, Coach Jaja ng Batang SATWA. First possession mapupunta sa team Majaz. 3!
Pili doon to, hindi ko makakilala si Sabi.
Grabe, ang init kagad ni Palmes. Sayo. Tuamorando. Back to Sayo. Sayo. And a steal. Here comes Majaz. To Palmes. Lays it in. 2 points. Grabe si Palmes. First 5 points ng Almajaz. Amoranto. Tumirante. Magpale. Miss a shot. Rebound by Sam. Here comes Teams Majaz. Di Guzman to Palmes. Fakes. Back to Di Guzman. Drives. Kick out to Palmes. 10 to shoot. Buena Pe for 3. 8-0 run para sa Majaz. Amoranto to Sayo. Back to Amoranto. Babawi ng 13 Amoranto. Nag-miss. Advance.
Ito patay to? Pero pwede patay. Pero patay ito siya. Pag ano lang, mamaya na. Pagkapitik-pitik lang.
Di Guzman has the ball. Pass to Buenape. Buenape picks. Di Guzman. What's the call? 11 seconds to shoot. 11 to shoot. 10. Buenape tries another long one. 3. Grabe, back to back for Buenape. Sayo, tuturing, babawi, in and out. Battle for rebound, napunta. Basket timeout tayo, coach. Buenape has the ball. Buenape, another 3. He missed this time. Here comes Batang SATWA. Sayo. Drives. Ganda ng hulog. Dinali pa. 2 points. Mirante. 11 against 4. Buenape to Di Guzman. Di Guzman to Buenape. Palmes. 10 to shoot. Di Guzman drives. 5. Palmes another 3. Miss this time. Here comes Turing. Long pass to Magpale. Mirante Magpale. Natapigan. He missed the shot. Here comes Di Guzman. Almost a steal. What a pass from Palmes. Timeout! SATWA! Back to the ball game for the charge. Timeout! Batang SATWA ball.
Baka hindi maglalaro.
Baltasar. To Roseo. To number 15. Back to Roseo. Long 2 points. Roseo. Di Guzman has the ball. Pass to Buenape. Buenape. guarded by Baltasar. Buenape, ups. Miscommunication. Here comes Baltasar to Magpale. We have a foul. Foul, jersey number 10, De Guzman, first personal foul. First team foul for Majaz. Oroseo. Number 15 tries a long one. He misses a shot. There comes Majaz. Buenape has the ball. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman guarded by number 15. Pass to Buenape. Palmes, another 3. 16 against 10. 6 rather. 10-point lead. Turing babawi, he miss. Magpale sa ilalim, 2 point. 16 against 8. Buenape, another 3. He missed his stand. Sab ka, boss? Sab rep. Sam out, Monera in. Here comes number 15. Pass to Oroseo, to Balcazar. Back to Oroseo, fakes. Magpale, underneath, miss a shot. 10 to shoot. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Turing. Oroseo, 2 points. 16 against 10. It's a 6-point lead for Team Majaz. De Guzman to Buenape. De Guzman guarded by number 15. Step back 3. De Guzman. 19 against 10. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Baltasar has the ball. 14 to shoot. Oroseo sa gitna, 2 points. Oroseo. 19 against 12. A 7-point lead. Buenape guarded by almost a steal. Now they completed the steal. Timeout! Majaz! Back to the ball game for the Charge. Timeout. (19 against 14). It's a 5-point lead for Team Almajaz. This is our second game for tonight. Batang Satwa versus Majaz dito sa Jasbil. Buenape has the ball. To number 18. De Guzman tries a long one, in and out. Here comes Batang Satwa. Baltasar has the ball. Baltasar to number 15. Number 15. Kick out to Turing for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 18.
Ano yan? Montera?
Buenape has the ball. Guarded by Turing. 10 to shoot and a steal. Here comes number 15. To number 26, lays it in, missed the shot. Oroseo, 2 points. 19 against 16, it's a 3-point lead. De Guzman harassed by Baltasar. Pass to number 2. Stop, a pop, missed. Rebound by Sam. 10 to shoot. Sam for 3. Balik sa 6. 22 against 16. Oroseo fakes. To Baltasar. To Toring. Madlang Bayan. In and out. He got his own miss. Madlang Bayan fakes. Foul jersey number 10 hitting the head. No basket. Sab ka, sab. Number 10, it's your second personal foul on second team foul for Majaz. 14 to shoot. Baltasar fakes. 5. Toring for 3. In and out. 2 points. Oroseo. Baba sa 4. 22 against 18. Sam. Another long one. Miss this time. Here comes Batang SATWA. Baltasar has the ball. Totori, Toroseo. To number 15, fakes. Erise, long two, miss a shot. Here comes Sam. Long pass to Palmes. To Monero, long two. 24 against 18. It's a 6-point lead for Team Majaz. Toring to Baltasar na has the ball. Madlang Bayan. Baltasar drives, fires, issue 2 points. 24 against 20. Baltasar has the ball and almost a steal. Na-recover ni Monero. Monero stop and pop, in and out. Long pass to Madlang Bayan. Madlang Bayan, issue 2 points. 24-22. 25 seconds. We have a call. Foul jersey number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. 22 seconds. Monera to Sam. Sam for 3. Miss this time. Jacinto to number 45. Miss the shot. 8 seconds. Toring. And that's it for our first quarter. Our score is 24 against 22. Back to the ball game for our second quarter. Bola po ng Batang SATWA, mga sir. Pasok. (22 against 24). This is our second game for today. Battle of the Tribe. Majaz versus Batang SATWA. Sayo. Tries a long one. Bam! 3 points. Sayo. Lumawang na ang SATWA. Steal by Perez. Here comes Batang SATWA. And a counter steal. Palmes. Kick out. Jacinto. Thinking 3. Miss. Rebound. And we have a call. May discussion yung referees. So, bola tayo. It will stay. Okay, it will stay in Majaz. 14 to shoot. Buenape underneath, missed the shot. Here comes
Dito net.
Green.
Protok. Kamaran.
28 against 24. Buenape has the ball. Jacinto. Ramos. Teared up shot, miss. Here comes Magpale. Pass to Sayo. Sayo to Perez. Perez fakes. Pass to Magpale. 2 points. 30 against 24. Buena has the ball. Miscommunication. Sayo all alone. Time out! Team Majaz. (32 against 24 in favor of Team SATWA. 8 minutes and 11 seconds ating second quarter. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Timeout.
Jacinto. Di Guzman. Buenape. Almes. Buenape.
Jacinto has the ball. Guarded by Sayo. Pass to Palmes. Palmes to Buenape. Back to Palmes. Tries another long one. Bam! 3 points! Palmes! Grabe, ang init ni Palmes. His third 3-point for this game. Here comes Sayo. To Perez. Morata! Nice defense by Palmes behind. Palmes lays it in. 2 points! Palmes! 32-29 at a 3-point lead para sa Team Batang SATWA. Sayo has the ball. Sayo, kick out to Morata. Magpale underneath, 2 points. Magpale. Palmes. Palmes, kick out to Buenape. Almost a steal. We have a call. Ball goes to Team Majaz. 15 to shoot. Di Guzman. 10 to shoot. Buenape. Lays up. Miss it. Perez gets a rebound. Long pass to number 7. Magpale! And 1. Foul jersey number 16. Hacking foul. Number 16. First personal foul. Personal foul. Majaz. Bonus free throw will be given to number 7, Merate, also known as Magpale. He missed the bonus. Here comes Team Majaz. Di Guzman has the ball. Palmes has the ball. Guarded by Sayo. Palmes dancing. 10 to shoot. Di Guzman, 2 points. 36-31. Morate has the ball. Morate. Sayo. Miss the shot. Sub-rep. Call your sub, guys. Here comes Majaz. Jacinto dribbling the ball. Jacinto. Tries a long two, miss. 10 to shoot. Buena Pe for 3. Miss a shot. We have a call. Kitang-kita. Foul jersey number 9, Oroseo holding foul. First personal foul, first team foul, SATWA. $14 to shoot, Jacinto. To Di Guzman. 10 to shoot. Di Guzman tries a 3, pabanda. Using the board. 36-34, dalawa na lang lamang ng Batang SATWA. Amoranto to Sayo, babawi, miss this time. Same ball daw, sabi ni Mike, 14 to shoot. Madlang Bayan para sa throw in, and bound. Toroseo, almost a steal. Here comes Palmes. Grabe! Dinaan sa bilis. Foul jersey number 17. Pushing foul. Substitution rep number 17 is your first personal foul. Second team foul. Batang SATWA. 5 minutes and 12 seconds sa ating second quarter. He makes the first. Miss the second. Split charity lang para kay Palmes. Baltasar. Coach, yeah. 2 points. Madlang Bayan. 38-35. Buena Pe, guarded by Oroseo. Buena Pe, stop and pop. Nice defense there para kay Oroseo. Here comes Batang SATWA. Baltasar. Toroseo, we have a call. It's a clearly traveling violation. Di Guzman, guarded by Sayo. Pass to Monera. Monera fakes. Kick out to Buena Pe. Buena Pe drives. Buena Pe fires. Buena Pe missed. Here comes Team SATWA. Miscommunication. Four minutes, 15 seconds. Di Guzman has the ball. Guarded by Sayo. Di Guzman, stop and pop. He missed. Here comes number 15. Number 15. Whoa! What a move! Grabe yung crossover ni Sir. From SATWA to Japlia. Palmes guarded by Baltasar. Palmes fakes. Paso Jacinto. 10 to shoot. Buena Pe tries a long one. Bang! 3 points. Buena Pe. Madlang Bayan fakes. Back to number 15. Babawi. Miss this time. Battle for rebound. Napunta sa Majaz. Here comes Di Guzman. Almost losing the ball. Out of bounds. Sabrep. Sayo out. Merati in. Also known as Magpale. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Nabigay na, sir. Nabigay na. Acknowledge niya isa. Pupulang Ramos. Palmes. A nice defense para kay Baltasar. Here comes Batang SATWA. Magpale ang layo ng take-off. He missed the layup. Here comes Majaz. Buena Pe, another long one. Miss this time. Oroseo to Baltasar. Baltasar! Easy 2 points. 42-38. Jacinto. Guarded by Baltasar. Jacinto. Baltasar has the ball. Almost a steal. Here comes number 15. number 15. And 1. Foul number 15. First personal foul, second team foul, Majaz. Bonus free throw will be given to number 15, Elise. 44-38. Bonus free throw. He missed. De Guzman to Buenape. Buenape guarded by Madlang Bayan. The two veterans are on the court. 10 to shoot. De Guzman to Monera. 2 points. Monera. 44-40. Baltasar has the ball. Baltasar hesitating. Baltasar fires. Baltasar score. 47 against 40. Monero to Sam. Sam to Monero. Monero drives, fakes, kick out to De Guzman. 10 to shoot. De Guzman tries a long one, miss. Rebound by Orseo. Pass to Baltasar. Here comes Batang SATWA. Baltasar, what a pass! From Baltasar to Magpale. 49-40. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Sam has the ball. Sam to De Guzman. De Guzman to 10 to shoot. Monera lays it in. 49-42. 40 seconds. Madlang Bayan tries a long one. Bang! Binawi. 24 seconds. We have only game clock. Last shot for Majaz. Monera to De Guzman. 15. Buenape. Babawi. Miss. 10 seconds. 5. We have a call. Foul jersey number 15. First personal foul. Sorry, second personal foul. Third of the team. 2.7 seconds. And that's it for our second quarter. This is our second game for tonight. Battle of the Pride. Batang SATWA versus Majaz. Tama na yan. Mag-change court. Back to the ball game for our third quarter. Here's a 10-point lead by Batang SATWA. Here comes Majaz. Palmes. That's the ball. Palmes to Buenape. 14 to shoot. 2 points, Ramos. Baltasar has the ball. Guarded by Jacinto. Morato, 3. Palmes, babawi, not this time. Here comes Batang SATWA. Morato to Baltasar. Baltasar drives. What a pass from Baltasar to Magpale. Pero masyadong malalim. Palmes to Jacinto. 2 points. Jacinto. Baltasar to Turing, fix. Back to Baltasar. To Perez, underneath. Napunta yung bola kay Magpale. 57-46. Palmes has the ball. Palmes to Ramos. Ramos tumira ng malayo. Mintis. Here comes Perez. Here comes Batang Satwa. Turing. Back to Baltasar. Turing tries a long one. Miss this time. 57-46. Jacinto has the ball. Jacinto guarded by Baltasar. Palmes. Cross pass to Sam. Sam tries a long one. Bang! 3 points. Sam. 57-49. Turing. Back to Baltasar. Perez. To Mirante. To Perez. Step back 2 points. Perez. 59-49, it's a 10-point lead again for Batang Satwa. Jacinto has the ball. Guarded by Baltasar. Jacinto tries a long one. Bang! 3 points. Jacinto. 59-52. It's a 6-point lead. 7 rather. Morada, babawi, wala. Same ball. Sabret. Knockout play, 2 points, Magpale. Balik sa siyam, 61-52. Jacinto now has the ball. Pass to Buenape. Buenape back to Jacinto. What a pass! From Buenape to Jacinto. 61-54. Baltasar. Pass underneath to Magpale. Nice defense. 10 to shoot. Magpale. 63-54. Jacinto, guarded by Baltasar. Jacinto. To Buenape. Miss this time. Nodong has the ball. Baltasar to Turing. Turing. Amoranto in and out. Here comes Jacinto. Guarded by Amoranto. Jacinto fakes, fires, he missed. Baltasar to Turing. Turing back to Baltasar. Back to Turing. Turing tries a long one. Missed again. 5 minutes. Buenape to Buenape. Buenape drives. Time out! SATWA. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Time out. Erice to Baltasar. Back to Erice. To Reseo. 10 to shoot. Erice to Baltasar. 5. Erice 2 points. 4 minutes 20 seconds. Jacinto, guarded by Erice. Isolating. Erice, Jacinto rather. 10 to shoot. Monera, missed this time. Rebound by Turing. Here comes Batang Satwa. Erice, stop and pop. Bang, 2 points. Erice. 67 rather, 56. It's an 11-point lead. Jacinto has the ball. Jacinto to Di Guzman. Di Guzman guarded by Turing. Pass to Buenape. Buenape tries a long one. Miss this time. He got his own miss. Passes to his brother Buenape. Monero, 10 to shoot. Monero, 2 points. Monero. Monera rather. I-correct mo naman ako. Baltasar. To Erice. Erice to Turing. 10 to shoot. Erice. 5. Magbale. Balik sa 11. 69-58. Di Guzman guarded by Turing. Di Guzman to Buenape. 10 to shoot. Buenape to Monera. 2 points. Tumama na par. Monera na eh. 69-60. It's a 9-point lead. Erice. To Turing. Back to Erice. 10 to shoot. Erice turns. Fires. 2 points. Erice. 71-60. Di Guzman guarded by Turing. We have called foul Turing. Sub rep. Call your sub guys. 71-60. Turing, it's your first personal foul. First team foul. Batang Satwa. Buenape. Low post. Buenape. What a nice defense para kay Orseo. 10 to shoot. We have a call. Foul, jersey number 3, Morata. Morata. First personal foul, second team foul. And a steal by Erice. Orseo fakes, fires, and wow! Foul, jersey number 16. Second personal foul, first team foul, Majaz. 73-60. Bonus free throw will be given to Orseo for Batang Satwa. He makes the bonus. 1 minute 45 seconds. Palmes. Guarded by Sayo. Palmes, ang daming ginawa nito kanina. We have a call. Foul, jersey number 9, Orseo. Second personal foul, third of the team. Coach Ja. 1 minute 30 seconds. Palmes. 10 to shoot, step back. 5 to shoot. Buenape, miss this time. Here comes Batang Satwa, Erice. Wait lang daw. Pass to Sayo. To Morota. He missed the shot. Rebound by Monera. Monera to Di Guzman. Di Guzman lays it in. 2 points. Di Guzman, 74-62. It's a 12-point lead for team Satwa. Erice turns. Sayo, a long one. Bang! 3 points. Sayo, 77-62. Long two lang daw. De Guzman has the ball. 10 to shoot. We have a call. Foul on jersey number 15. Sablep, pasok sub. Number 13, it's your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. SATWA. SATWA, warning for penalty. De Guzman has the ball. We have 4 seconds differential. Shot clock, game clock. Buenape for 3. Miss. Morota for the rebound. Long pass to Sayo. Sayo, we have a call. Foul on jersey number 10, De Guzman. It's your third personal foul, De Guzman. Second team foul para sa Majaz. 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 18 of Batang SATWA, Sayo. He makes the first 6 seconds. Super 2 para kay Sayo, 78-62. Here comes Palmes. Napagod na si Palmes. Ang daming ginawa ito kanina. Palmes tries a long one! Basket is count! 78-65.
Sa akin pag ano, no? Tropa kayo rin. Pagsauro siya ka. Muna agad kinakaw.
Back to the ball game for our last and final quarter. This is our second game for tonight. Battle of the Pride. Majaz versus Batang SATWA. Baltasar for a sideline throw-in. Here comes Erice, guarded by Jacinto. Almost a steal. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sayo fakes. Black. 5 to shoot. Perez. Siphon. 80-65. It's a 15-point lead. What a move by De Guzman! Injury sub. Okay. Pasok. Amoranto. It's a 13-point lead for Batang SATWA. Erice, guarded by Jacinto. To Amoranto. 10 to shoot. Madlang Bayan. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Erice along to miss. Here comes De Guzman. De Guzman, tipsy-do. He missed this time. But here is Jacinto to follow it up. 80-69.
Putan po ko yung
Erice, guarded by Jacinto. Erice drives. Erice fires. He missed. Here comes Ramos. Ramos to Sam. Sam to Buenape. Buenape drives. Almost losing the ball. 10 to shoot. Jacinto. We have a call. Foul jersey number 15. Hacking foul. Number 15, apat ka na, sir.
May ice ba tayo? Ice. Yung
Jacinto, he makes the first. Last shot for Jacinto. He makes the second one. It's a 10-point lead again. 80 against 70. Erice, guarded by Jacinto. Kitang-kita ni Rep. He steps on the line. Sub-Rep. Let's go. 14 to shoot. To shoot. Jacinto dancing. Jacinto. Sam. 5. Jacinto fires. He missed. Battle for rebound. Goes to Bata SATWA. Amoranto. Back to Magpale. Magpale, and we have a call. Sub. Foul on jersey number. Foul, jersey number 6, blocking foul. First personal foul, first team foul para sa Team Majaz. It's a 10-point lead, 80 against 70. Amoranto to Sayo. Sayo guarded by Jacinto. 10 to shoot. Sayo drives. Pass to Madlang Bayan. 5. Madlang Bayan lays it in. 2 points. Madlang Bayan, 80-70. Di Guzman guarded by Amoranto. Di Guzman hesitating. Di Guzman fakes. Kick out to Buenape. Pass to another Buenape. Buenape misses on. Rebound by Madlang Bayan, and here comes Batang SATWA. Amoranto almost losing the ball. Madlang Bayan guarded by Jacinto. Kick out to Sayo. Sayo tries a long one. Miss this time. Rebound by Madlang Bayan. 2 points. 84-70. Jacinto guarded by Sayo. Jacinto drives, kick out to Di Guzman, tries a long one, miss. We have a call. Foul on jersey number 9. Oroseo pushing foul, second. Oroseo, it's your third personal foul, second of the team. 6 minutes, 21 seconds. Bola tayo ng Batang SATWA. 6 minutes, 21 seconds. It's a 14-point lead by Batang SATWA.
why didn't play?
Oh, we have a call. Teka. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 1, Buenape. First personal foul, Buenape. Second team foul, Majaz. He makes the first. 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Super 2 para kay Sayo. Here comes Team Majaz. 86 seconds, 70. Sa 60-point lead. Ang 5 para kay Amoranto. And the steal. Sayo. 2 points. 88-70. Buenape has the ball. Buenape drives, fires, miss. Here comes Batang Bayan. Amoranto. Pastor Orseo. 10-2. Batang Bayan. Face. Magsayang for 3 is this time. 5 minutes, 3 seconds. Monero, kick out to Philippines, miss this side, another miss. Mandapaya. Majaz.
Tumutulong sa amin pagbabagang naglaro paano kasiyahan. Sino ba ang iyong inaasahan? Diyos mo lang sa bawat karamihan. Kami mananalo sa bawat laban.
Biglaing mati. Ito biglaing mati. Ready na
Valdez, miss, rebound by Guzman. 2 points, Guzman. Here comes Simon. It's an 18-14 for Batang, SATWA. Simon, guarded by Guzman. Simon, step up 3. Miss this time, rebound by Guzman. Long pass to Valdez. Valdez, drives, tries, 2 points. Valdez. Enrique controlling the ball for Batang, SATWA. Guarded by Valdez. Enrique, stop, and top, bang, 2 more. Alves at Suloy. Alves drives, makes a layup. 4 minutes. Enrique, whoa! Alves is there. Foul, jersey number 1, Bear. Second personal foul, third team foul. 3 minutes, 55 seconds. Harris. Cross pass to Morota. Morota drives. Morota fires. He makes the layup. Here comes Majaz. Guzman has the ball. Guzman drives. 2 points. Guzman. Sayo to Morota. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Sayo, guarded by Ben to shoot. Ben. Sayo, drives on one. Ben! 3 points. Sayo. 95-76. 19.3. Guzman drives. Woo! What a pass! On Alves, missed the shot. Here comes Sayo for Batang, SATWA. Mukhang pinapagod na yung Majaz. Mahaba pa yan. 3 minutes na yan. Now we'll call. He steps on the line. 2 minutes, 43 seconds. Drives, lays it in, he missed the shot. Bernatay has the rebound. Step back, miss it. Batang rebound na butas sa Majaz. Here comes Guzman, he missed another. Another base for Majaz. Medyo malas. Majaz pinang.
Just bilang
Is a 21-point lead. Mukhang malayo na. Ramos is the shot. Last 2 minutes. Ang orang na pass. Grabe naman yun. Parang may kapasihan sa likod ah. One minute 30 seconds. 99-76. It's a 23-point lead para sa Batang SATWA. What a play from Zion Corona. Alves. Ramos. 2 points. 55 seconds. And the fuel for round for 3. Face this Alex. And 3 points. Alex. I think that's it. Congratulations, Batang SATWA.